keep cutting myself all the time. But you have to bleed a little for your car, right?
We got some company. Hello, kissy miss. Do you want to check out our new fancy van? Stuff we have used, you can have a look on this. So it's like 2 layers.
Hi YouTube! In this video, we are going to take you through how we sound deadened our van miles. We are Tobias and Ida, and we have just bought ourselves a van that we are converting into the ultimate adventure campervan. Because we live in Norway and we are in the middle of the winter, we have rented parts of a barn where we can do our build. We started the sound deadening process by cleaning the car with a really strong cleaner. This was in order to get it super clean and get all the oils and all the dirt off so that the adhesive on the sound deadening would stick better to the van. We measured up what we need, so we're just going to start cutting. This material, it should be about 20 degrees when we actually use it, but I think it's about like 0 here in Norway right now, so it's a little tricky to work with this. So we have a small heating thing here that we usually have on our balcony, a heater there, and also a heat gun. Hopefully it does the trick. So let's see. Because it's aluminium, so keep cutting myself all the time. But you have to bleed a little for your car, right?
Things is getting better and better. The warmth is getting good. We have now 2 heaters and we got 2 lights. So working inside the car is quite comfortable, wouldn't you say, Ida?
Yes.
And how goes it?
It's actually going quite well. So we're almost done with the back of the car, and it's actually a lot easier to work with than we feared. So we don't even need the heat gun. I think it's something to do with the 2 heaters, maybe. Yeah. So we were just saying we were getting a little hot. So maybe we need to remove one of our gazillion layers. We are almost done sound deadening the wheel things, where the wheels go. And I think I've made a beautiful masterpiece. Only missing this little piece right here. Then I think it's going to be very good, and then we can move on to the rest of the car. But this actually takes a lot more time than you'd think. But it's pretty nice when you get the hang of it.
A new day and the sound deadening process is continuous. It was actually quite interesting because when we drive home last night it was less noise, so it's actually seems to be working quite nice. So yeah, let's continue the process.
Looney. Yeah, mi sirena. Hace como un par de años que pasó lo impredecible. Te fuiste por un futuro y el pasado se quedó. Después de un par de meses.
This one is really nice, so I would totally recommend buy one of these because you really want to kind of make it really stick, and it's much easier if you can put on some pressure and really roll it out. I saw a video before I did this, and it actually turns out you don't need so much of this sound deadening material. So we've gone from being more nitty-gritty to just slap on some bigger pieces, and I think that will be more enough sufficient. And we are down to our last roll, so I think it's nice not to, because we can't cover everything. We got some company. Hello, kissy miss. Do you want to check out our new fancy van? Or maybe Vanlife something for you, my friend? Yes? We're having some progress. Just got some visitor. But other than that, it goes great. So almost done with all the sound deadening. So the roof is done, and the walls and the floor. Just have some small pieces on the floor left. So now we are done sound deadening the van, and the stuff we have used, you can have a look on this. So it's like 2 layers. So you have this thin aluminum foil, and then you have this black sticky thingy. Rubber paste, and we are in the winter in Norway, so it's pretty cold, and this was supposed to be only done in like 20 plus Celsius or something, and I think we are more or less around 0 degrees, but it have gone quite well actually, so it's we are very happy. So, and I think this is the end of this video. So if you like this and want to see how this van turns out to the ultimate camper van, you should hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in not far away future. Bye bye!
Skulle du si noe?
Nei.
Du var sånn. Så er det sånn. Er du sikker? Okay. We are finished sound deadening the van, and if you like... Oh, okay.
Oui, je m'appelle Ida. Oui.
So it looks like this. We have pretty much put this...
We made a spaceship.
Yes, we made a spaceship. That's what we made. We're ready to go to the...
Almost done with all the sound deadening. Sound deadening.